Xcode.
Okay.
I haven't gotten to that point yet, so I really don't know all the details, but I think it's eventually deploying into Xcode and then going through the normal distribution to the Apple Store. And then the Android side that I've really not played with enough yet to know how to work with that, so I need to. I have done REST API on another situation, and I'm not going to. I actually can show people details about it if they're interested. But I have a site for another nonprofit. It's the Chautauqua Valley Bike Trail, and we just put the website up in January. And one of the things we put in there was a little thing that shows the weather conditions, and we pulled that from an open source weather service. And that all works really well, except because I have to cache the site so that it's reasonably fast and things like that, I had concerns that the weather conditions might be a little bit old by the time somebody pulls it up on the phone, especially if they're outside and they want to know right now, what's the temperature, what's the wind speed, and which way is it going. So I went ahead and took the code that I wrote, which is all on the back end, it's all PHP, to go get the data from the service. And I did the same kind of thing. I basically built an adapter pattern REST API piece to it. And then what I do is that after the page loads, then when the page load is complete, then I go ahead and go to the REST API and pull the most current data. When you go to the REST API, as things stand right now, I don't think any caching software tries to cache the REST API.
Yeah, unless you use a transient.
What's that?
Not unless you use like transients.
Well, and I'm using transients in my code just because I can only do so many calls to the service within a minute. So I save the transients so that every 2 minutes I go back and get a fresh one. But yeah, I was kind of thrilled I got that to work. So. And I'll share the code I did for that on that sometime. Cool. All right. I dominated the conversation.